Most tomato plants fail to reach their true potential, not because of poor soil or bad weather, but because of the way they are planted. Tomatoes have a special ability that many gardeners overlook, resulting in failed growthal. By using the right planting technique, you can turn a small seedling into a strong plant with thicker stems, deeper roots, and a much heavier harvest. In this video, we will look at two simple planting methods that take advantage of this natural ability and help tomatoes grow stronger, right from the start. The first method is called the trench planting technique, and it is one of the best ways to encourage tomatoes to develop an extensive root system. Instead of digging a traditional hole, start by digging a shallow trench in your garden bed. The trench should be about 3 inches deep and long enough to accommodate the length of your tomato seedling. This method may look unusual at first, but it allows a large portion of the stem to be buried under the soil. Next, spread a layer of vermicompost along the trench. Vermicompost is extremely rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that improve soil structure and enhance nutrient availability for plants. If vermicompost is not available, regular compost or well-decomposed manure works very well too. These organic materials act as slow-release fertilizers, providing essential nutrients that support healthy early growth. To further protect the young plant, sprinkle a small amount of organic turmeric powder into the trench. Turmeric contains natural antifungal and antibacterial compounds that help protect tomato roots from soil-borne diseases such as root rot and fungal infections. Mixing turmeric with compost in the soil creates a healthier environment for the plant's developing root system. Now comes the key step of this technique. Instead of planting the tomato upright, gently lay the plant horizontally inside the trench. Cover about 80% of the stem with soil, while leaving the top portion with leaves above the surface. Tomatoes have the special ability to produce roots along their buried stems, so this method encourages many new roots to form. The second method is the deep hole planting technique, which helps tomatoes grow thicker stems and stronger roots. Instead of digging holes with a shovel, you can create deep planting holes using a sturdy pipe. Push the pipe straight into the soil about half a foot deep, twist it slightly, and pull it out. This removes a column of soil and leaves a clean, deep planting hole. It is a quick and efficient way to prepare multiple holes in a row. After making the holes, add a handful of compost into each one. Compost acts as natural plant food, improving soil structure, retaining moisture, and releasing nutrients slowly over time. Next, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that help protect young roots from soil-borne diseases and rot, especially in moist conditions. Before planting, remove the lower leaves from the tomato seedling, leaving only the top healthy leaves.